Welcome back. We continue to see stable conditions across the Caribbean this evening. We're also expecting the winds to be weaker across the region as we don't have that strong pressure difference between sections of the north and sections of the south of the Caribbean. We're expecting those scattered clouds, those scattered mid to upper level clouds to continue developing across sections of the eastern Caribbean. However, across the central and western portions of the basin, conditions remain more or less stable. Now, the forecast for tonight is for fair skies across most of the island, and we expect temperatures to drop to 24 degrees Celsius both in Kingston and in Montego Bay. The winds are expected to be 5 knots on both coasts. In the morning tomorrow, expect generally sunny conditions for most of the island, and then for the afternoon it's partly cloudy. We do expect some isolated showers across sections of inland areas of western parishes. Temperature in Kingston gets to 31 Celsius. Temperature in Montego Bay gets to 32 degrees Celsius. Now, the breakdown has partly cloudy skies across most of the area tomorrow. Expect some showers if you're in Santa Cruz or in Savannah Lamar. It's partly cloudy further west in Negril Lucy, also in Montego Bay and Falmouth. Partly cloudy conditions in the afternoon are forecast for Brownstown through to Bogwa, but we do expect some shower activity in Christiana, also across sections of Duncans in the afternoon, with partly cloudy skies otherwise. Now, the next few days. Partly cloudy conditions, especially in the afternoons on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Now for the marine forecast. On the north coast, winds tomorrow are east-northeasterly at 15 to 20 knots, while wave heights are between 1.5 and 2 meters. On the south coast, the winds are east-northeasterly at 10 to 15 knots, with wave heights between 1 and 1.5 meters. While for offshore areas, the winds are northeasterly at 15 to 20 knots, the wave heights between 1.5 and 2 meters. And for the offshore outlook, we're expecting the winds to be averaging anywhere between 15 and 20 knots on Friday. Then on the weekend, the wind speeds are expected to drop down to 10 to 15 knots from the east-northeast. The sunset in Kingston tomorrow is at 7 minutes after 6, 10 past 6 in Mandeville, and at 13 minutes after 6 in Negril. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. We thank you so much for watching.